Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. Think a starter kit can only be a gimmick, yet this bundle proves the opposite, delivering a full home experience straight out of the box. Unpacking feels like a small magic trick. The hub lights up, the plug clicks, and within minutes a living room lamp obeys a simple voice command, a pattern repeatedly noted in the field data. One story describes a rainy night when the Alexa Plus routine dimmed the 4 bulbs and announced a front door camera's motion, giving peace of mind without touching a phone. Another thread highlights a busy parent who programmed a plug to shut off a coffee maker automatically, avoiding a burnt pot disaster that had happened before. The hub's seamless integration with dozens of devices turns chaos into calm, all with a tap. Verdict: perfect for first-time smart home adopters who crave effortless control and reliable safety.